I just want to do a quick review of what we learned over the past few weeks during the Blogging 101 course. The first thing that you'll want to know is where they're located, and that's at nimbleize.ca, and then the last part is the name of your blog. So to actually log into your website from the front here, we can use your meta login. You can click on there. It's going to take you to the login site. You put your username and password in there. But I'm going to do another little trick that you may or may not have picked up. But at the end of your blog, the name of your site, you can just click there and type in wp-admin. And that takes you to the exact same spot as where that login button takes you. So if you ever kind of lost, you can do WP admin at the top and then put your username, passwords, and log into your website. So here you are. You're in your dashboard now. First thing here are some dashboard, these are called widgets. You can sort of move these around if you wish to different spots. You can also turn some of these on or off depending on which ones you want to have on your blog right now. So I'm just going to turn those guys off and close that. The next thing here is your posts. Now this is the main part of your blog. This is the heart and soul of your blog and where you're going to put all your content and all your writing basically. And then you're going to upload photos and media to that. So if you want to click on the little arrow if it's not open, you can go and view all your posts. You can add a new, you can add some categories if once your blog takes off and you have hundreds and hundreds of posts because you've been working on it like a maniac over the past few months. You can add a new one here or add a new one here from the top. Let's just add a new one for fun. Okay, first thing to do is give it a title, something short. Don't write your whole blog in here. Just write your title here because this is where you want to put your blog post below that. So I'm going to say about the blogging tutorial review. Okay, and that's my title. And right here, you're going to put the text in that you want to, well, your blog about the course. Here is a quick review video on what we learned. So I'm going to put a video in here later once this is done. But if you want to put an image in, just remember it's upload insert and it's the first little square here. You want to click on that. This window opens up and you want to upload an image from your computer most likely. So let's see if we can find something here. In my documents, courses, is there some images? Let's see. Here, let's put a camera on there. That looks like fun. I'm going to upload a camera. All right, so once it's been uploaded and crunched, you get the little image of there. You can actually edit this image if it's not exactly how you want. You can crop it and things like that. I suggest cropping them and making them a little bit smaller before editing them. Just because you don't want a huge image uploaded to your website. So you're going to have to go use some software that you have on your computer to make the images a little bit smaller from your camera. You're going to have a title. So I'm going to put a title in here called camera. And you want to put a caption. So this is a caption that usually goes underneath what's called a thumbnail in your post, or the caption underneath your little image in your post. So I'll just put here is a picture of a camera. Because it's always nice to have a little caption under some sort of photo. And the most important thing here, you can put your insert a medium or large or full-size image. I would suggest always using the medium one, and you can put it to the left or right or center of your text or none, which I'm going to do. I'm going to insert it into my post, which is that button there, and there you go. I have my image inserted into my post. Then you'll come to the right side here. You can save this as a draft. You think, oh, I've done a lot of work today. I'm going to come back tomorrow and finish off this post. You can save it as a draft. You can take a little quick preview and see how it's going to look like on your website. So there's my blogging tutorial review with my image, and there's my little caption underneath, and that's my text. So that's a little preview. If though I'm all set to go, I'm just going to put it in a category called my blog category, or uncategorized as well. You can probably only have it uncategorized right now. And then I'm going to publish it. And publish it means send it straight to my blog so the whole world can see. So once it's published, you usually have a little band of yellow at the top here and says that the post is published, and you're going to go take a look at the post, which should look like it did in your preview. So there we go. There's a quick blogging tutorial review. People can leave comments underneath if they wish. Now, if you don't wish people to add comments to your posts, there's a little thing underneath here called discussion underneath your post. So I just went back to edit the post that I just did. You can pause this video too if you need to and review it a few times, and just uncheck those two things there and update your blog. So the first time we published it, and now any other changes we're going to make to it are called updates. So if I take a look at my post, I've removed the comments. See, it even says comments are closed, so there's no comments on there available. All right, so I'm just going to do the back button to get me back here into the post area. So there you go. That's how you put your posts. Now, web pages is a single page on your website. So if we go look at the web page, we have a home page, which is our blog. It's actually not a page. If we go to the home page, we'll see all my blogs. So there's the one I just put in, there's the one I did a couple weeks ago, and there's a couple weeks from there, and the very first one, which is the default one of your blog, which you should probably erase since you didn't actually make that one. It's just a sample one. So, but we did have a contact page, and we have a sample page as well, which comes with to show you how to write a page. So that's not under posts, that is under pages. So if we go to all pages, we will see that there's the contact me and the sample page. And of course there isn't a home page because the home page is actually your blog posts. So if we wanted to create a new page, we could do add new. And now we're going to write a page. Now pages are things that don't change too much. So I'm going to put, how about an about me page? And I could do, I am a web guy who likes to watch lots of TV. Okay, and then I could put a picture of maybe the $6 Million Man or somebody under there by doing upload insert. That's add an image from my computer. Now once they're uploaded to your computer, you can actually find them later on in the media library. So you could actually reuse pictures that you've used before. So all these are all pictures that I've uploaded to my website. I'm going to actually put a little dog in there. How's that? I'm going to put the medium size one, and I'm going to just put it underneath what I just did there. So I'm going to insert that into the post, and there's a little picture of a dog who likes TV and puppies. How's that? So you'll see that there's no categories here, but you're going to just want to publish that about page. The only thing I would do on here, well, let's just publish it first. We could do a preview, but I'm going to just move things along. So we'll see that it goes home, about me, contact me, sample page. Well, maybe I want to put the about me at the end here. This is one thing I didn't get to go to. So if we go back to our page here, you can see there's something that says something about the page here. Well, there's the order. Well, the order right now is 0, which means put it as close to possible as the home one. Well, I'm going to put it as the third item. And you also have sometimes templates here. So sometimes you might want to have the sidebar on your page, because right now everything's sort of in the middle and there's no bar down the side, but sometimes you might want a bar on the side. So we could say, show me the template with the sidebar for the About Me page. So I'm going to update it now. The first time it was published, but now I'm going to update it. I'm going to take a look at the page. And the first thing you're going to notice is that the About Me now is at the end in the third spot. And the second thing is that I have a sidebar on the side. Okay, so the other thing we talked about were your themes and widgets. So if we go to themes, you can take a look at all the different themes that are available. And just remember that the theme is not only the design, but they also have certain functions. So each one is slightly different. You're going to have to take a look through them and see what they do. And they create sometimes different functions along the side of your bars here. Sometimes they'll add something called slideshows, or if it's a store, you might have your storefront here that lists all your products. There's a whole bunch of different things that these themes do. They don't only just change the look of your site, but they actually add some functions along the side here of your website. Okay, so just remember to keep doing your posts. Eventually this will grow and you'll have a number of posts on your blog. And once you have about 10 of them, you can make it live to the world. Now, I also suggest once you're happy with that, you can actually go buy what's called a domain name and put that right. I'll be able to put that right over top of your nimbleize.ca. So you'll have your own name .com or .ca available there, and it makes it much more personalized. Okay, I hope you had fun, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.